everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute pot holder. I use 4.5 millimeters hook, plastic ring and cotton yarn. This yarn suitable for 4 millimeters hook. This is 4 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, insert your hook into this ring. Take slip knot, pull up yarn, add one chain, continue, insert your hook into this ring like this I show. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet. Now we made 2 stitches in here. Continue, make single crochet stitches, 3 stitches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 single crochet in here, add one chain, turn the work, go to this stitch, make one single crochet, make one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. After 7 single crochet, go to this stitch, make one single crochet, 1 2 chains, go to same stitch, 1 single crochet and repeat 1 1 1 I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. In here we have 7 single crochet with this stitch, in total 8 stitches. In here 7 with this stitch, 8 I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in first row. In second, make one chain, add one single crochet, in next stitch make one double crochet, in next stitch single crochet, in next stitch double crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, double crochet in here, single crochet in next stitch, double crochet. In total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chains, go to same chains, 1 single crochet, and repeat. Make 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We finish this row with single crochet. Make a chain, turn the work, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to here, in top of double crochet, make 1 single crochet, and repeat. Double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. Go to this stitch, double crochet, go to corner, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet, and repeat. Double crochet in single crochet, single crochet in top of double crochet. Double crochet, single crochet. We start with double crochet, finish with double crochet. Start to next row with single crochet, replace a stitch, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, in here, single crochet, double crochet, go to this corner, in these chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet, go to top of this single crochet, make double crochet in double crochet, single crochet, and repeat. Double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double, single, double. We start with single crochet, finish with single crochet. Make in first stitch, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and repeat. Make more rows like these rows. Make one double crochet, one single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, go to corner, single crochet, 2 chains, single crochet in here, double crochet in top of single crochet, single crochet in double crochet, and repeat. Start with double crochet, finish with double crochet, and make like this rows. Make more rows. I show in here. Make double crochet in last stitch. Start with single crochet and repeat. I made this stitch until here. I made 12 rows in total. In here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 in this side, 18 stitches in this side. I make 12 rows in total. You have you if you want to make larger than this size, you can make like these rows. In total, with two first rows, in total I have 14 rows in here. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 with these rows, 13 14 rows in total. I have 10 centimeter in here, 12 centimeter in here, 12 centimeter in here. I show 5 centimeter,